أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Control variables using SmartPLS4. In this session, we are going to look into how to use control variables and how to report the results for control variables. Now, this is the model that I have, and I've got 4 independent variables, 1 dependent variables, and these are my control variables: age, gender, and education. Now, this is a very simple model, PLS-SEM model using SmartPLS4. So, I'm going to calculate bootstrapping. And let's start. Now we'll go to path coefficients, and if we look here, age insignificant, education insignificant, gender insignificant. So none of the demographic variables, the control variables, significantly impact the endogenous variable, that is sustainable competitive advantage. Now how do we report these results in our thesis or research paper? So let's look at this. Control variables, age, education, and gender were included as control variables to account for potential confounding factors. The results indicated that none of these control variables, that is age, education, and gender, had a statistically significant impact on sustainable competitive advantage. Specifically, age showed a small positive but non-significant effect, while education also had a weak and non-significant positive relationship with sustainable competitive advantage. Gender demonstrated a negative effect, suggesting that gender differences. Now, why we are using the word differences here? Because gender is a categorical variable with 2 categories. And when you are assessing its impact on any other variable, you look at the differences between the 2 genders for that particular variable. May slightly influence the perception or development of SEA, but this effect was also statistically insignificant. These findings imply that the demographic characteristics of respondents do not substantially influence the level of sustainable competitive advantage in this study, supporting the robustness of the primary model relationship independent of these controls. So now these controls do not affect the overall model. These findings suggest that the observed effects in the main analysis are unlikely to be influenced by these demographics, and then you report this model. This is how you can report your control variables. Thank you very much.